Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School Khargone. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. So today you have to open your second term fancy book. We are on the page number 9. So please open it fast, okay? Board is a little blur. No problem, it's now clear. Okay, so page number 9. Please open that fast. So now since your periodic tests are all over, we all have to focus on our English grammar portion again. So in the previous lecture we had started chapter number 1 of Fancy 2, that is our English grammar book. Chapter 1 was and were. Okay, so I had given you introduction of both these words. So what are these two words? These are what? These are two verbs, okay, the action words. So these two are verbs that are used in the past tense. I told you that we have to remember three things about these two, okay. So the first thing is that both these was and were, these are the words used in past tense, okay. So they are the words used in past tense. Then secondly, was and were are used in the sentences of past tense as helping verb and main verbs. Okay, so they are used as both helping verbs and main verbs. Alright, so this is the second thing that we have to remember. Okay, so these verbs are used as helping verbs as well as the main verbs, and I had told you already in the examples that I have given in the previous lecture. Alright, so helping verbs and main verbs. That means was और verb किसी भी sentence में helping verb के जैसे भी हम use कर सकते हैं and हम main verb के जैसे भी use कर सकते हैं. Then the third thing is was is used with the singular subjects, okay. Was is used with singular subjects and were is used with all the plural subjects. Okay, so was is used with the singular subjects and were is used with the plural subjects. Now, the main task starts from here, that we should remember, we should be able to figure out what subject comes under the singular subjects and what subjects comes under the plural subjects. Okay, so for you, for your ease, I am going to write on the side of the board the list of all the plural as well as the singular subjects. Okay. And this was the short introduction, like a kind of a revision of was and were. Now today we are going to solve the exercise. Before that I am writing the list of the singular subjects and the plural subjects here. Okay. So yeah, so you can sharp your pencils. You have to open page number 10 now. And plural subjects will be here. So, singular subjects, okay, with which we are going to use was. And plural subjects are those subjects with which we are going to use were. Okay, singular subjects के साथ हम was use करेंगे, plural subjects के साथ हम were use करेंगे. तो I am going to write the list. तो singular subjects include I, he, she, okay, I, he, she, any singular name, okay, then this, that, okay. So these are all singular subjects. Then here plural subjects includes we, you, they. Okay, plural names. प्लूरल नेम्स मीन्स किसी भी चीज के नेम्स बट जब वो प्लूरल नंबर्स में आ रहे हो. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेम्स ऑफ 2 गर्ल्स, 2 बॉयज, 2 cities, 2 books, etc. etc. Okay, so plural names, then these, those. So these are all the plural subjects. All right. Now today we are going to solve the exercise, as you all know. Please open page number 10 of your second term fancy book. Page number 10. First question given there is, I am reading the question for you. First question given there is, fill in the blanks with was or were. हमें जो blanks दिए गए हैं वहाँ पर उसे fill करना है was और were से. Okay, तो you know now the uses of was and were. Was is used with all the singular subjects and were is used with all the plural subjects. All right, so let's begin. Question number A, sentence number 1. I dash sick yesterday. I dash sick yesterday. Okay, so now let's find out was is what kind of a subject. Sorry, I is what kind of subject. So I comes under the singular subjects. So with I, what are we going to use? Was. Okay, so I was sick yesterday. मैं कल बीमार था या मैं कल बीमार थी. So I was. Please fill it up with was. Now the second sentence, we dash in Goa last week. Okay, the meaning is हम last week गोवा में थे. Okay, so now let's find out we. We is what kind of subject? So we, it is not there in the singulars list. We is there in the list of plural subjects. So with we, what are we going to use? We are going to use were. Okay, so now the sentence is like, we were in Goa last week. इसका मतलब है हम last week गोवा में थे, right? Sentence number 3. Mohit dash my friend. ओके, मोहित डैश माई फ्रेंड. अब क्योंकि हमें वॉज और वर से फिलअप करना है, ऑब्वियसली ये जो सेंटेंस है ये पास्ट टेंस का सेंटेंस है. मोहित डैश माई फ्रेंड, मोहित मेरा फ्रेंड था. ठीक है, नाउ हियर नेम एंड हियर प्लूरल नेम्स. मोहित, देयर इज ओनली वन नेम, सो द नेम इज सिंगुलर. ठीक है, मोहित सिंगुलर नेम है. सिंगुलर नेम है, दैट मीन्स सिर्फ एक ही नेम है ना, एक ही पर्सन का नेम है. ऑलराइट, so Mohit, with this singular name, what are we going to use? We are going to use was. So Mohit was my friend. Mohit was my friend. All right. Sentence number 4. She dash a kind woman. Okay, she. Let's look at the list. I, he, she. She is in the plural subject, singular subjects list. So she is a singular subject. With the singular subjects we use was. Okay. So she was a kind woman. वो एक बहुत kind woman थी. ठीक है. Sentence number 5 may or may not be visible. Let's see. Ravi and Amit dash present in the classroom. Okay, so Ravi and Amit dash present in the classroom. It's a past tense sentence. Ravi और Amit classroom में present थे. Alright. So Ravi and Amit. Okay, now there are two names. So these names are not singular in number. Now the names are plural in number. So plural names comes under plural subject list obviously. So plural names. There are two names. So with plural names, what do we use? We use were. Okay. So Ravi and Amit were present in the classroom. Ravi और Amit classroom में present थे. Okay. So please अभी इतना लिखिए जल्दी से. Do it fast and then I'll wrap with the board. Okay children, please write it fast so that we can proceed. Yes, so question number 6 now. Many students dash absent yesterday. Dash absent yesterday. Okay. Many students dash absent yesterday. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स yesterday means कल absent थे. So many students, we are talking about so many students. बहुत सारे हैं, एक नहीं है. They are plural in number. Okay, so they are plural in number. And what do we use with the plurals? We use were. So many students were absent yesterday. W-E-R-E were. Many students were absent yesterday. Then number 7, Dodo dash a large bird found in Mauritius. Dodo dash a large bird found in Mauritius. Dash a large bird found in Mauritius. Okay. So you know what is the meaning of this sentence? Its meaning is डोडो एक लार्ज बर्ड था जो मॉरिशस में पाया जाता था, अभी नहीं दिखता है. ओके, सो डोडो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन बर्ड हियर. दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग about only one species of bird there. So one means singular, and with singulars we use was. So that therefore dodo was a large bird found in Mauritius. Okay, dodo was a large bird found in Mauritius. Then dash in the first standard last year. Okay, its meaning is मेरी younger sister last year first standard में थी. Okay, so my younger sister. So we are talking, I mean the sentence is talking about only one sister ना, my younger sister, मेरी जो एक sister. अगर sisters ज़्यादा sisters होती तो sisters word use किया गया होता, right? Sister. We are talking about only one sister there in the sentence. So one means singular and with singulars we use was. So my younger sister was in the first standard last year. Okay. Please fill it up fast. Number 9. He dash a good student. ठीक है. He dash a good student. वो एक बहुत अच्छा स्टूडेंट था. So he, wait, singulars में he is there. Okay, so he is a singular subject. Therefore, what are we going to use with he? We are going to use was. So he was a good student. He was a good student. Then number 10. Hope it's visible. Okay, now it is. So he was a good student. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the 10th one is those clothes dash old. Okay, those clothes dash old. वो कपड़े, मतलब बहुत सारे कपड़ों के बारे में बात की जा रही है. तो बहुत सारे हैं तो क्या है? प्लूरल है ना? So those and also those comes under the list of plural subjects, right? So those clothes means those clothes were old. Okay, those clothes were old. हम those के साथ use करेंगे were. So those clothes were old. Now please fill it up fast in your book. Those clothes were old. Fill it up fast and then we will do the next question. Now, I hope this is done. Okay, so the next question number B. The next question is, let me read the question for you. Question number B. Use was, were with the given subjects. आपको subjects की list दी हुई है, सिर्फ subject दिए हैं, है ना वहाँ पर question में. तो आपको उनके साथ was या were जो भी आता है वो use करना है और बनाना है complete sentences. That means आपको subject दिया है, बस उसके आगे का sentence हमें complete करना है हमारे हिसाब से जैसे भी हमें लगे. तो problem कहीं नहीं आएगी. We have the list. All right. So let's begin. So question number B. First, the subject given there is I. Okay. So पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि I के साथ हम was use करेंगे या were. उसके बाद सेंटेंस तो हम बना लेंगे, है ना? So singulars, I is there in the singular subject list. So with I, what do we use? we will use was. Okay, हम I के साथ was use करेंगे. I, write it like this. I was. Okay. Now you can complete the sentence. You can make your own sentences also, and you can write my sentences also. Okay. So let's say I was in Mumbai yesterday. Yesterday spelling is Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Okay. Don't forget to put a full stop. So I was in Mumbai yesterday. Acha. Proper noun, common noun, remember? Mumbai is a proper noun. So start the word Mumbai with a capital letter as I have done. Okay. So I was in Mumbai yesterday. मैं कल मुंबई में था. ठीक है? Please write it down. Second one is we. So first, let's have a look. We comes in which category? We is not here in the singular list. Here, we is here in the plural list. Okay. So we, with we will use were. We के साथ हम use करेंगे were. So we were. Okay. We were. Let's say good friends. We were good friends. हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे. है ना? हम मतलब हम अच्छे दोस्त थे. We were good friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. We were good friends. Add a full stop at the end. Then number 3. They. Okay. Write the first and second sentence. Then we will do the other. Hope my handwriting is clear to you. So, they. Now we have they as the subject. Let's check it in the list. They is there in the plural list. Okay? They. It's here. So, they means हम ज़्यादा लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? They. So, with they we will use were. Okay? So, they were. They were, let's say my neighbors. They were my neighbors. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors. So they were my neighbors. Please write the sentence as it is. They were my neighbors. वो मेरे पड़ोसी थे. Okay. They were my neighbors. Then okay, so the next question is fourth one. Those people. Those people, all right. Those people. Those people. Acha, those people. Those is there in this list. Those is there in the list of plurals. Okay. Those. So those is a plural subject, and with plural subjects we use were. So those people. Just a moment. Those people were. Okay. क्योंकि those एक plural subject here. So with those we will use were always. So those people were, let's say, my classmates. Those people were my classmates. वो लोग मेरे classmates थे. And a full stop. Don't forget to place a full stop. Alright. Then the last one is she. The last subject is she. She. Here it is. So she comes under the list of plural subjects. Sorry, singular subjects. And with singular subject we will use was. So she was. She was. She was, let's say, a good singer. She was a good singer. Let's write this. And a full stop at the end. I'm giving you 1 minute to complete this. Do it fast. And then I'll finish the lecture on this note. Hope the handwriting is clear. And if you want to note down this list in your notebook or wherever you want to note it down, you can write it, okay? I've gotten aside, you can pause the video right here, and I don't have much time to give you guys, so on this note I have to end up the lecture. We will meet again in the next lecture with another exciting English grammar chapter. So till then, take care of yourself, study hard, bye bye.